Hello Tejasvi, welcome to InfoSec Train.
Section here. Thank you so much for having me here.
It's all our pleasure. How are you?
I am doing good.
Perfect. Firstly, grand congratulations to you on clearing one of the most prominent and elite certification in data privacy, CIPPE. How's your experience while preparing for this master certification, Tejasvi?
Yeah, thank you so much. It was all with InfoSec train support and also with the coach that we had, Jay sir. Yeah, the experience of preparing for CIPP was, I won't lie, I was a bit scared and a bit nervous as well. But I think Jai sir made it very convenient. Like he kept saying that, of course, it's not that easy. Like he kept saying that it's not a cakewalk, but it's definitely not something that you can't achieve. So yeah, that motivated me a lot. Like it made me feel a way lighter. Yeah, I can do this kind of thing. Yeah. And other than that, mostly I followed all of Jai sir's instructions. And of course, the InfoSec support team was always there to help with any technical issues, whether it was joining the meet or whether to inform that the class is a bit delayed for some technical reasons, or anything with logging into my IAPP website or whatever it was. They helped a lot. That was mostly it. And study wise, yeah, it is a bit nervous. So what I used to do was, I used to prepare myself before Jai sir's class. So the classes were on weekends, right? Saturdays and Sundays. So I used to prepare in advance, uh, so that I can receive what Jai sir is telling. Otherwise, it's all new, and it'll be all too much to handle on one weekend. So yeah, that's how I used to go about, and that is why I think maybe that's the reason. As soon as the InfoSec trains classes ended, after 2 weeks, I was able to answer the exam because I was already preparing myself for the exam. So yeah.
Glad to know that. Any suggestions or tips you want to share with your personal experience, the people who are preparing for CIPPE and about to appear for the examination anytime soon? Any tips or suggestions?
If they're going with InfoSec train, I would say just follow Jai sir's instructions. That's the best tip I could tell. Like he at the end, he even shares an exam strategy, like what all you should study. He gives you a list of cases that you should go through, like the important ones. And also you should solve the questions that he gives at the end. Like it's not a mock exam as such, but he goes through the questions with you, so you have to really listen to his explanations as well, because they made answering the exam really really easy actually. And his strategies as well, like go through this book, this text. So in initially you might feel like he's sending so many PDFs or so much information. You might feel a bit burdened by that, but yeah, I think you should go through the IAPP official textbook. This is obviously what Jaisa will tell them as well, but yeah, the official textbook, GDPR, you can just go through it. You don't have to like sit through each and every article just to note some legal words, just because of those legal terms that are there, just to be familiar with that. And yeah, basically go through whatever Jay sir actually finally tells you to go through these particular PDFs. Yeah, that's what helped me answer as well. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. How's your experience with InfoSec Train so far, from start of your enrollment till you clear your certification? How's your overall experience with us?
Yeah, so the thing is, I didn't know anyone who has done CIPP, like neither in my family nor some senior or someone that I can ask them whether this training course is good or that is good, or anything, whether I even need a training at all. But when I contacted Priyanka ma'am from the sales team, I think, yeah, she helped me a lot. And she was always available on WhatsApp texts for any questions, queries that I had. In fact, I think I actually troubled her a lot by calling so often, like, what about this? What about that? Should I even do CIPP in the first place? And then at a point, like when I had too many privacy related questions, like what should I do with this? What should I do with that? She even connected me with Jay sir so that he could clear my doubts. This was way before classes even started. I think almost 3 weeks before the classes even began. She connected me with Jay sir, and then he cleared my doubts. And yeah, and during the first session of the class as well, he even remembered me, like, I think I spoke to you. And was I the one who encouraged you to do CIPP? I said, yeah, definitely. You were the one. Yeah, so then along with that, that was the beginning before coaching classes. And then after that, also, even Priyanka, for that matter, even she helped a lot with informing us about the my IAPP account being opened and how to go through with that. And in fact, after the classes, it just doesn't end over there. Even after the classes, they helped us a lot actually. InfoSec train also, as well as Jai sir. Like even now, after I cleared my exam, I was very worried ki where is the certificate? Where is the certificate? I used to check the my IAPP website daily just to see where the certificate is. Then I think I messaged Priyanka ma'am. Then she said like, don't worry, 1 second, I'll tell Jai sir. So then Jai sir, he even called me and he said that no, it takes 10 days. You wait, have some patience. Yeah, so he told me that, and then they told how to update your CPE credits and all, how to submit CPE credits. Yeah, so it doesn't just end with getting the certificate and clearing the exam. He even helps after that. Infosec train also helps even after you clear the exam as well. So yeah, that was really great. And even throughout the exam, once the classes ended, yeah, even now for that matter, like there are other students who are yet to answer the exam, right? So even they get to ask questions, and Jai sir answers very promptly. Like you don't have to wait like one, you'll think he takes a lot of classes and he has his own practice as well, but so you would assume that he will take at least a day or two to answer your queries, but he answers very very promptly. So yeah, that was really good.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable experience with us, Tejasvi. It was super exciting to have you, and we are very sure that we'll be assisting you with a lot of trainings, projects coming up in the future, and we'll be glad to be part of your gladiators journey in the coming time as well. So do let us know in case you have any requirement hereafter. We'll be happy to help you out and partner as your training partner for your all upcoming projects. Thank you so much, Tejasvi, for your time. Have a good day. Thank you so much.